(2021) Volvo XC40 design, engine, recharge. 2021 Volvo XC40 is one of the best SUVs that we will have the chance to see next season. The upcoming vehicle of the famous Swedish automaker delivers sophisticated design, which distinguishes the XC40 from the rest of the class. Also, Volvo's subcompact luxury crossover offers better resale value than any other similar model. Moreover, the design language and elegant style is truly a bit of fresh air in the segment. You'll notice the attractive details, angular profile, and contrasting color roof. Well, we can say that the design of the XC40 is unique. Besides, the crossover offers the best cargo in the class and an outstanding, and very comfortable cabin. 2021 Volvo XC40 design. 2021 Volvo XC40 delivers a rugged but very elegant exterior design. We can say that the appearance is similar to the larger XC models. So, the new model is like a younger brother. The angular shape and prominent C-pillar, which rises from the base of the rear door windows, are the most distinctive features of the body. The grille is concave, and you'll notice the famous Thor's hammer headlights. Moreover, even the tailgate is modernly designed, and underneath lays the twin exhaust housings. The Momentum model comes with the optional white contrast roof, while the R-Design versions include a black roof. Interior. The Swedish automaker is famous for impressive cabins. Well, 2021 Volvo XC40 will get the same treatment. Inside you'll find a 12.3-inch digital driver display, alongside a large 9-inch center screen for the navigation, audio, and climate controls. Furthermore, the XC40 provides decent head-dash, legroom space in the rear. But, the front row could provide a bit more room. Of course, as with any other Volvo, safety is on the highest level. The safety suite includes a host of active features and the optional pilot assist. This feature is one of the best semi-autonomous driving aids in the class. Engine specs. Under the hood of the upcoming 2021 XC40 will be only one engine option. But, it offers two output/drive configurations. That unit is a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Well, the engine that will use XC40 T5 is refined a bit, and it will produce 248 HP and 258 lb-ft of torque. The all-wheel drive setup is standard for this configuration. Also, the front-drive XC40 T4 comes with the same engine. But, for the T4 it will be detuned to 187 HP and 221 lb-ft of torque. The standard transmission is an 8-speed automatic, with the available start/stop system. The XC40 T5 AWD will return 22/30 mpg. On the other hand, XC40 FWD returns 23/33 mpg. 2021 Volvo XC40 Recharge. Besides 2021 XC40, Volvo will introduce its first all-electric model, the XC40 Recharge. The EV will be available in the last quarter of 2020, and the starting price will be just under $50,000. The company claims that the Recharge will provide a driving range of 250 miles. However, the charging time is unknown at the moment. Still, we assume that Volvo will include a fast charging outlet that will allow up to 80% in about 40 minutes. According to reports from Volvo, the Recharge will deliver 402 HP. Also, the electric crossover will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. Well, it seems that the EV will be very efficient and quick. Besides the engine room, the Recharge adds a unique grille. Instead of the conventional grille, electric Volvo offers a flush surface. Well, if you don't have an engine under the hood, this design is very appropriate, right? Furthermore, this allows more storage space in the front trunk, aka frunk. Of course, the Recharge will include the latest technology for the cabin. Release date and price. 2021 Volvo XC40 FWD T4 Momentum comes with a starting price of around $35,000. The destination charge is included in the price. Furthermore, the optional AWD and more powerful 2.0-liter turbo push the price for T5 Momentum to $37,000. The T4R design version costs $41,000. On the other hand, T5R design comes for $43,000. The range-topping T4 and T5 inscription starts just under $42,000 and $44,000 respectively. As we mentioned above, the XC40 Recharge will have a price sticker of $50,000. The release date is scheduled for the last quarter of 2020.